All right, let me show you how easy it is to translate your Bricks pages with AI. So I have Bricks installed. I have Polylang installed, is a translation plugin, and Polylang automatic translation with AI. It's an AI add-on which connects Polylang to large language model kind of AIs. So OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, those kind of things. Then under AI settings, I have OpenAI connected. I go to OpenAI. I create a key. Test key 2, create a key. Here I have my OpenAI key. I paste it in here, save settings, and now my WordPress website is connected to my OpenAI account and can make use of GPT 5.2, for example, or other large language models. Okay, then I go to pages, I create a new page, test Bricks page, I publish, I edit the page, let's use a demonstration templates. Okay, let's pick a big one with a lot of text that we want to translate. For example, I don't want one with lorem ipsum, of course. It needs to be actual English content. So let's, for example, pick, I see a lot of lorem ipsum. Okay, this one. This property template. I see rent your dream, property types, I see here English. This is perfect. Okay, insert it. It's Bricks template, save it. Now let's go to, let me quickly show you how I have set up my languages. So I have English as default language, and let's add Spanish, for example. Spanish, add new. Okay, now let's go back to pages, open the test Bricks page, and then here the plugin provides an interface for translating Bricks pages. So I want to translate to Spanish. I click here. I can also give it a custom instruction. So for example, I want the AI to do certain things, use emojis in their translations or use a certain tone of voice. I click start, and now the plugin starts to process this in the background. So it translates the title, it translates the URL, if there are other custom fields available, and it translates the Bricks template structure, which is stored in the post meta of this Bricks page. This may take a little while because it's a lot of text, so it has to send all this text to the OpenAI platform, ask it to translate in a certain way as you want, then give it back, and then the plugin organizes everything back into the Bricks structure, which will result into a translated Bricks template, which you will see in a minute. We're done. Okay, I refresh. Now let's move myself here. Go to Spanish. As you can see, the title is translated, the slug is translated, and if I open this, you see everything of the Bricks page is translated in perfect Spanish. Nice. Okay, now one more extra thing I would like to show you. This plugin is not only meant for manual work one by one, but it's especially focused on bulk translation as well. So in case of, for example, 200 Bricks pages, you could configure your languages here, give it also an instruction, and then start a translation, and then it does 200 Bricks pages while you're asleep. I can quickly demo it to you by creating a new page. So let me create another page, publish. Again, a Bricks templates, let's pick the first one. I don't want to waste your time. Yes, that's fine, accept all, okay, fine. Now, if I go to AI translation, the plugin is like detecting new translations. It stores, if a post is created, it stores the translation work in a separate database. So it always has a super efficient way of what needs to translation, what needs retranslation, and what is translated already. So this may take like 30 to 60 seconds. And now it's ready for translation. So as you can see, one page is translated already in Spanish. We just did this. And in Dutch, I have no Bricks pages translated. If I go to configure, let's say I take both of them or one. I want to give it a custom instruction. I don't want to do that. I don't want to limit the numbers. You can also limit them for a dry run, for example, to do first a few pages in bulk. And then I start the translation process, and this will do the same translation work as we just did with the manual Bricks translation, but now it does it in the background. So you can just close the window, and this will work with WordPress Action Scheduler, which is a background process. You can just close your website and go to do something else. And then in the meantime, you see the Dutch page is already translated, so I can confirm. Here you have Dutch translated content. This is lorem ipsum again, but you get the point. This is still working. This is the larger Bricks template. So this takes a little bit longer. In the meantime, you can see the logs here, so you see what the plugin is translating. Let's look. Here's the Bricks page content. And it's done. I'll translate it. So now if you go to the pages again, you see there is Dutch translation as well. So for example here, you have the large page perfectly translated in Dutch as well. So this is the Bricks demonstration video. I hope you really like it. I have a link in the description below to the product. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me there, anything or in the comments. Have a super nice day, and I hope to welcome you soon. Bye.